to show you how to fix your sliding screen door. Normally what happens is the screen door, corners of the screen door get stuck in the threshold, it sticks, jams, and falls out. The reason is it's flimsy and it turns from a rectangle to a parallelogram and boom, on the ground. We have a screen door repair kit. It's a very simple, easy way to fix this door and it's very inexpensive. The repair kit comes with these guides. They look like this. You simply put this glue on the shoulders and on the back of the screen door slide guide. Insert it in the ends of the door. Wait for the glue to dry. And the corner of the door can no longer stick into the threshold, causing it to stick, jam, and fall off. It's just that easy.